How to buy penny token. So this token, as you can see, it came under the symbol of 0.01. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before that, I will just show you this post from X account. This token is released by the Department of Government Efficiency account. As you can see, the penny cost over 3 cents to make and cost US tax payers over $179 million. So as you can see, go and check this X account, and as you can see, this token, it's available on the screen here. It created 14 days ago and increased by 57 to 8,000% in last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. It's mainly an investment in the safe place. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this one. Now open your front wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy penny token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.